Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial series. In this video, we'll cover controlled traffic, a feature designed to help you establish repeatable pathways for field traffic. This enables you to minimize soil compaction and enhance efficiency by keeping all machinery on consistent tracks throughout operations and years. What is controlled traffic? The controlled traffic feature allows you to create predefined, repeatable paths that your machinery will follow each time you operate in the field. By keeping all machinery on these designated tracks, you reduce the compaction on the soil and ensure more uniform conditions for crop growth. This feature is particularly useful if you're working with permanent rows or structured field layouts, as it ensures your equipment always follows the same routes, reducing unintended soil impact. To use controlled traffic, you must activate a license and enable access to the functionality. To do this, go to System, Features, Guidance, and enable controlled traffic. After activation, an unlimited number of AB lines and curves can be recorded in a single guideline group and project lines as new guidance mode will also be available. Configuring project lines for traffic control. Control traffic is managed by setting project lines. Project lines allow you to define precise repeatable paths your equipment will follow. When generating project lines from coverage, a project line is created between the points where coverage was started and stopped, and follows the same path that was taken when recording the coverage. Follow these steps to generate as-driven lines. Go to Guideline menu, Create Guideline, New Project Lines, click on Method, Generate as-driven lines, and Confirm, then select Next. Now activate the task that has the coverage that will be used to generate as-driven lines and select Next. To enter a new name for the new set of project lines, click on Project Line's name, then select Next. Once the new lines have been generated, confirm again to finish. After the new project lines have been generated, they are automatically loaded and ready for use. You can assign them as controlled traffic path, ensuring the line will be used consistently. Managing and editing controlled traffic lines. Once your controlled traffic paths are in place, you can return to Guideline menu to adjust or review your established lines. To work with controlled traffic, you'll need to purchase a license. Your dealer can assist by either activating it for you or providing a USB with the license code. To activate manually, go to System, Features, Licenses, insert the USB, select the update option and confirm. Alternatively, you can manually enter the license code by selecting Unlicensed in the status column. That's it for this tutorial. Controlled traffic is an excellent tool for maintaining soil health and improving the efficiency of your field operations. Be sure to check out our other videos for additional tips on making the most out of your iMonitor system.